For all these leads here, these three right here that I am layering up, these are all lead sounds from Synth Control's Cyberpunk pack. Again, can't recommend this enough. If you want to make Cyberpunk quickly and easily, it's definitely worth getting this Serum pack, of course, if you have Serum. Confession though, I actually didn't have Serum before I discovered Synth Control. But when I saw Synth Control had these amazing presets, I actually bought Serum just so I could use Synth Control's preset packs. So anyway, here are how they sound. It's actually a pretty simple pattern here, just kind of moving up. It kind of follows an A, B, C style of melody pattern here. And I've got it down an octave here, and then as it repeats, it goes up an octave, and I also add in a couple of more ethereal, airy sounding layers. Now across all these leads, I'm also coloring these with a couple of multi-effects, so Finisher Flux and Finisher Dynamo by UJam. I've reviewed both of these plugins in previous videos, which you can check out in the description below. So if we solo the lead here, and we'll hear what these sound like without these in and then with them added in. So you can hear the Finisher Flux is adding a lot of grit and distortion, and then the Dynamo actually adds a completely different texture to them to make them sound even darker and more glitchy and edgy, like is the theme with Cyberpunk. So I just felt it made these sound more fitting with the rest of the track and kind of pushed it into the background while still allowing it to still cut through the mix. And then I have the bridge section here where I attempted to create what I guess would be like a guitar solo or a synth solo. Here, of course, using synths since I can't play guitar. And I layered multiple synths here. Two of them are Syntronic synths, and then two are from Serum Synth Control's Cyberpunk pack. And especially this one here, this lead Hallmark, I actually threw on a guitar cabinet by Waves, and also some overdrive by Waves, as well as some Comeback Kid delay. I also reviewed this plugin in a previous video. This is a really amazing plugin for SYNTHWAVE, any kind of SYNTHWAVE type of delay sounds you want to get if you want a gritty, dirty kind of delay. And then also Tal Reverb, which is one of my favorite reverb plugins for SYNTHWAVE, even though it's free. And so altogether, these sound like this. And then to get that really cool tail there, that last note that kind of bleeds into the next section, again, I used some automation here. So I automated both Finisher Dynamo and Flux, and I just really turned up basically the wet knob on these plugins, which is right here. Just cranked that up with automation, and you get a really cool sound here. I'll solo it so you can hear it a little better. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I'll do the same thing here on the outro. Again, it just fits with the theme of Cyberpunk and just makes it more interesting and different sounding. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button like you're Marty McFly trying to get back to the future. And if you want more help creating synthwave music, be sure to click the video playing on the screen right now, as that is my full in-depth tutorial on creating a synthwave song from start to finish. With that, have an awesome day and keep creating.